Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your dividends history on Robinhood. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are starting to receive dividends on Robinhood. How do you actually see your dividends history that's been paid out to you? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're first going to log onto your Robinhood account. And then on the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on the icon that looks like a person. Now in this menu here, on the upper left hand side, you want to click on the hamburger icon. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says history, and underneath it says activity across all accounts. So click on that. Now, this is the really important step, guys. You're going to see a bunch of button tabs on the upper hand side. Right now, we're seeing just all of our history. And it just happens to be that most of my history consists of receiving dividends. But if you actually click on the dividends tab over here, it's going to filter it so that it shows you all your dividends history. Now on this page, of course, you'll also see your order history, your transfer history, your rewards, your option events. But if you want to just see your dividends history and filter everything else out, you would just click on this button and then there you have it. You can now see your dividends history on Robinhood. So this will be useful to see what companies have been paying you out. As you can see in my case, I have like a handful of companies that pay me dividends on a monthly or quarterly basis. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your dividends history on Robinhood. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.